So let's see if I can find my work badge. Not that. Oh shit. Damn it. Uh-oh, let me close that bag. Well, the thing about it is on most occasions, well, not most occasions, but sometimes it happens. You look around. I'm actually working for one of these big electric companies, so that right there would be, I don't know if it's permanently removed from the job with a 5-year ban, but that's not allowed. But the reality is it happens. Some people carry the concealed. I happen to have a concealed license. I know it's in my book bag, but that was a mistake. You want to be careful with that. You really want to be careful with that, because that can get you money, and that can also land you in jail on some jobs. Nuclear plants. I got a funny story about a military base. I actually did a job on a military base. I shouldn't say the military base, but I carry my conceal a lot of times, and at the time I had a Glock 19. I like to carry that, you know, my EDC. And I got to the guards. Anybody who ever been on a military base, you know, you got to go through a checkpoint to initially get on a base. And I got to the guards and didn't realize I had my concealed weapon on me until he asked me. He looked me square in the eye, had his hand on his firearm and said, "You got any weapons in the car?" And I said, "All right, go by." And at that point, I said, "Shit." It was pretty much no saying, "Yeah, oh, I made a mistake." No, you're in trouble. So I just say that to say sometimes it happens. Sometimes you make a mistake and get out the car early in the morning and have your firearm on you. Again, you just want to be careful about bringing it onto the site. You just gotta be aware. But it's gonna happen sometimes. Some of you guys it already happened to. I got a few friends that were sitting in orientation and kicked me on the foot and said, "Damn, I got my gun on me." You know what I'm saying? But it happens. But yeah, that's one thing to look out for. But we're getting ready to go for the day. Like I always say, I'll see you guys in the next place, on the next site. Yeah, it's more like it. Whew.
Golden Arm, because you're good at what you do.